Oh my gosh. I already know what time it is, you guys. We haven't done a crispy veggie taco mukbang on here in a while. Don't like I haven't eaten them. It's just I haven't really been doing the mukbangs. Sorry about that. I'm trying my best to come back. Okay, this is me coming back, bitch. Let's eat these veggie tacos. Cheers. I'm about to go put away some laundry after I do this video and put some food in my body because I haven't eaten anything today other than literally a banana. After I put away my laundry, I am going to start the second book in the Deception series, I think what it's called, by Rena Ken. I just finished the first book, which is Vow of Deception's the first one. The one I'm about to read is Tempted by Deception. If you know, you know, like I'm reading like all the books in the Rena Ken universe. I started with the Legacy of God series on accident, like a lot of other people. And I read all those books, and now I like started from the beginning and I'm on the second book in the Deception series. Like I said, I literally just finished the other book like an hour ago. But I'm so excited. Jeremy is my favorite in the Legacy of God series, and obviously if you know about the books, Adrian is the guy in this series that I'm reading, and that's Jeremy's dad. Anyways, I'm super excited to go read that in a minute, but I have to go put away my laundry like I said, so I'm gonna finish this taco, do like a quick little bites video I think after this, and I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go, but I love you guys. If you have a great rest of your night, and make sure something yummy, of course.